What's the meaning of cookout? Cookout. Cookout.
Cookout. Cookout. Cookout refers to an outdoor social gathering where food is cooked and eaten, typically in the form of barbecuing or grilling. This activity is usually associated with warm weather and often involves friends, family, or neighbors coming together to enjoy each other's company and share food. The result of a cookout can be a relaxed and festive atmosphere, with people enjoying delicious grilled meats, vegetables, and other dishes. It's a fun way to celebrate special occasions or simply enjoy the outdoors with loved ones.